Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Sharon Rahman. As you can already tell from the introduction that I will be giving a review on the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Kit today. This one is the trial kit version. So yeah, my first ever review on this channel. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it is set up. There are 4 products. This one is the gentle cleanser, and then we have the toner, serum, and this is the moisturizer. So before we start, I thought let me tell you about Snail Mucin. Well, I'm no dermatologist or any specialist, but what I've found so far, as far as I know, snail mucin is basically the snail filtrate secretion, the snail secretion, but it's not that liquid that we can see when snails move around. When snails walk around, the surface gets sticky, liquidy. It's not that. Snail mucin is basically when snails are under stressful situations, they secrete or release a kind of liquid which has repair growth properties, repair properties in it, which boosts our collagen production of our skin. Basically, it's a protective mechanism for snails, so that mucin, that secretive liquid, is used for making these products. So as to say, I'm not sure if it's animal friendly. I don't think so. I don't think this is cruelty free. Let's not talk about it. So snail mucin has chemicals such as hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and some amino proteins in its properties. Actually, I think we all know that hyaluronic acid is really important ingredient used as a moisturizer ingredient. So and the glycolic acid is needed for stimulating the production of collagen in our skin. And I'm not sure about the amino acid properties, but it has something similar to the collagen, stimulation of collagen buildup, kind of the same thing. One important thing about this snail mucin property is that they strengthen the skin barrier, which retains the moisture level of your skin, and so that's why it's very good for healing your skin. So I started using it after a very rough facial experience. After the facial, since my skin is kind of sensitive, so after the facial, I could see that my skin was feeling a bit irritated due to the rough scrubbing. Like the areas around my nose, those were really burning, kind of. Like I could feel like my skin kind of felt damaged. So right after I was using it, and I can say that it did heal my skin condition. Like it actually healed my skin pretty quickly. So I would say the claim that this product makes on their website or the fact about snail mucin, yes, it truly does heal your skin. So I think if you're suffering from any damaged skin, before trying out any products containing vitamin C, retinols, or anything acidic, I think it's better to first strengthen our skin, then start using other products that related to your skin concerns. So therefore, any kind of snail products are very good for resolving any dry skin issues as well as regeneration, as they claim to say, and for reducing pores and removing fine lines and wrinkles. Now moving on to the products. Firstly, the cleanser. Well, to be honest, I really love this one. It's a low pH gel cleanser, and I have a combination to dry skin. Mostly on winter, I'm more on the drier side. So this didn't dry out my skin at all. In fact, after using this, you'll feel your skin becomes a bit soft, but it's not dehydrating your skin. So it's a good one and cleanses okay, I guess. This is the toner. It's almost like watery consistency. Yeah, it's very liquidy. And yeah, it's like water. It looks like water. So it has around 90% black snail concentration. So that's huge. And to be honest, I think this toner is a good one. I really liked it. It isn't that moisturizing, but I feel like if you use it with a cotton pad, it does cleanse your skin. Like after washing your face with the cleanser, you have to use this toner. You can use it two ways. I've found that using the second method is better, I guess. So firstly, use a cotton pad to remove any residue from like makeup residue or anything that is left even after using the cleanser. Then use it directly on your face, like pour some of this on your hand and then dab it on your skin after using the cotton pad. For those of you who don't know, toner's purpose is to prepare our skin for the products we will be using next. It increases the absorption of the next products. Then we have the serum. Well, this has around 8,90,000 ppm of black snail concentration. Can you imagine that? Wow. So it's almost finished. Like there's still left. It's a bit sticky, but it will not last on your skin. Like the stickiness doesn't last, it's for a while. It absorbs pretty nicely onto the skin. If I show you the consistency, it's like, can you see that? See, it's not that sticky. I think to better understand their results of each product, if we use them individually, I think it's easier to find out. I've really heard good things about this one, but when using it as a whole kit, I'm not sure which one is working more. But overall, this kit was really good. I'll be back on that. And my most favorite product out of this kit is this one. This is the moisturizer. It has around 4,20,000 ppm of the snail concentration. Well, this absorbs so fast onto your skin and leaves a cooling sensation. I don't know how to describe this. Like right after you dab it on your skin, it kind of tingles, but not in a bad way. Okay, a cooling sensation. That's all I can say. See, it is. You can see that it's made out of mucin because it is like this. See that? Can you see it? I don't know if the camera is focusing. I would say if you have a combination skin like me or oily to combination, this would be a great moisturizer to use, and it feels amazing on your skin. But for people with drier skin, I don't think this will be enough. You can use any other moisturizers with more concentrations of snail mucin. Yeah, that would be better. This will be enough for you, but if you want to try it out, it's fine. I think this will be even more better if you this will be a good use for the summer season, I think. Overall, it's a starter kit for 1 month trial. Yeah, but it's been 2 months for me and the products are still there. It's not finished. I should have prepared a speech or something how to talk about it, because I'm getting lost every minute, like which point to say now. It's my first review, guys, so I guess please forgive me. Yeah. Another important thing is a little goes a long way. I'm completely new to Korean skincare. This is my first time trying any Korean skincare products. I haven't been into skincare that much, so as you can you can say that it's a raw experience, like literally. I will be inserting some B-rolls of the products, and as well as my experience. Like I've taken some shots and some video of my face during each week for around 1 month. So I haven't captured it for 2 months, but for 1 month, yes, because this is supposed to be used for a 1 month trial. So for the 2 months result, you can see my face right now. I have been sick for a few days, so my skin is not in a good condition. I have some pimples. This just popped out this morning, literally. Okay. Not gonna make this a big one, a very long video. My overall thoughts are After using this, I did really see changes in my skin, to be honest. It's not a big of a change, but still there is. I mean, if you're solely using this, I only use it at night as my skincare routine. I didn't use it twice a day. You can do that for better results, I guess, but yeah, I couldn't manage doing it twice a day. I have I don't know if you can see, I have a lot of acne marks. Like, these are old acne marks, not new. I haven't used anything for those before, so those are still there. The marks are still there. I'm trying to remove those now. It did lighten those marks a bit. I didn't say it completely removed it, but it did lighten those marks. You will see those in my pictures, hopefully. After using it for almost 2 months, I can say that it definitely lightens your spots. It's lightened my spots, and it also prevented bumps. You know those tiny bumps you get on your forehead area? Yeah, it prevents those tiny bumps a bit, and shrinks your pores a little. I wouldn't say it makes a huge difference, but it does show results if you use it religiously. And yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good product to try out. I would recommend you guys to try this out if you are new into it, and I think it's very gentle for even sensitive skin, because yeah, I have sensitive skin. Okay, so that's it, guys. I promise to make more better reviews in the near future, so bear with me please, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I will be giving a review on more Korean products after a month of using them. See you guys. Bye.